I'm going to compare Zotero and Readwise. Zotero and Readwise are both tools that help you manage information. Zotero is a helpful tool for collecting and organizing research materials like articles, books, and websites. It allows you to save sources with just one click and sort them into specific folders, making it easy to access. You can add personalized notes, tags, and citations for your academic papers or projects automatically. It's perfect for students, writers, or anyone doing deep research work. Readwise is made to help you remember and review things you've read, like book highlights or article quotes. It syncs with tools like Kindle, Instapaper, and Pocket, and sends you daily reminders of your saved highlights. It brings them back to the surface, helping you retain more of what you've read. It's ideal for avid readers or anyone looking to reinforce and remember their favorite insights over time. In my opinion, Zotero is best if you're doing research and need to organize sources. If you're more into keeping your reading notes fresh in your mind, Readwise is the better pick.